One.
No, just blow together. Let's.
1, 2, 3.
Blow! Whoa! Whoa! Don't burn yourself.
Oh my god. Never have 2 kids born with me the same month.
Okay, let Yehuda do his side, Shim.
Shim, what's going on?
Yehuda, your side. Yehuda, your side. Hey, hey, hey.
Spill all the cake.
Flakes, Michal.
They're lighting!
It's called Magic Candle. Yehuda! Wait, that was Yehuda.
Wait! Hey! Wait, they're gonna light again.
They're gonna have smoke inhalation. The smoke alarm's gonna go off soon. Oh my god.
Put it in water!
Okay.